Well, hello, my berries. We are at the house, hoping to see something changes, but we haven't seen any changes. We do see that we are all set right here to get brick going. We just need, if I see that pile of sand in my yard, then I know they're gonna get ready to put brick. But these are the supplies to start doing brick, the cement and all that kind of stuff. So yeah. So we're gonna try to come in here and see if they've done anything. And they have not done anything. They haven't done anything. Same old, same old, same old. That's all right, that's all right, that's all right. It seems like nothing was, well, I won't say nothing was, well, no, nothing was done to the actual house, but except for those supplies that are sitting out in the garage. That's something new. I was hoping that we would have brick by this weekend, so I don't know, guys. I don't know if y'all gonna get a video this coming Tuesday. I, of course, will notify y'all through the community page on YouTube, but if nothing happens, you know, if we don't get paint or whatever, I should get an update tomorrow from our project manager person. Y'all remember Mike? He was in the what do you call it? Pre-drywall meeting. So yeah, but no, nothing. We drove out here to see if there was gonna be anything. Well, I mean, well, no, y'all saw the doors in the last video, so that is it. I'm gonna walk upstairs and see if there's anything just in case, because babe noticed that they opened up the windows upstairs. So don't quite know why, but maybe we'll see something. You just never know. And they open up the windows in my office. So I just, that paper is really blowing, y'all. Do y'all see that? Like every time I come up here, I hear it. It freaks me out every time. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to my office and see if there's anything. Nothing. No changes. We just got the windows open. I don't know why I'm not gonna close them, because maybe there's a reason they did what they did. But yeah, so this is it. Alright guys, just stay tuned. Don't click off, because y'all know I'm gonna have more for y'all. Alright? Talk to you later. Bye. Y'all, we're at Lowe's. I had to put this in here. Look who is here. Y'all haven't seen Jordan in a while. Jordan out here working day and night. Jordan, say hello to the people.
Him for me here, man. Hey, people.
I didn't know you was working right now, dude. You're always working. That's good.
I'm ready to get off.
What time you getting off?
7.
Oh, 20 minutes. 19 minutes. Alright, let me grab my purse. Alright guys, if you see what I see, this is what I've been waiting for. I know it's just a pile of sand, but that means they're getting ready to put this brick on this house. So yeah, we're super excited about that. This is probably just going to be a really short update. But again, don't click off, because it'll probably be a longer video. Because we're going to try to get some footage of some actual brick on the house too. So hopefully we'll be able to see that next. Okay guys, but that's what we got. We got us a pile of sand. Again, that's what I've been waiting for. Is the sand for the brick. So we're going to walk in here real fast and see if we see anything different. And then, yeah, but don't click off. I will not end this video this way. You never have to worry. I'm going to sign off. So let's just go through the front door and see if there's anything changed. Doesn't look like anything has been changed. no paint or anything like that. So I was looking for was paint, but it doesn't look like it just yet. Alright guys, but stay tuned. Do not click off. Do not. This is not the end of the video. Alright, bye. Well, hello y'all. It is Tuesday, November 2nd. It's November, which is good. It's November. What's so good about it is that next month, y'all, we can actually say next month we'll be moving into this house. And I'm excited about it. So we're headed there again. The last time I was there was Saturday. Right? Or Sunday? Oh yeah, Sunday. On Halloween. So today is the 2nd. I'm gonna see if they've done any changes to the house, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we're gonna walk in here and see what we can see if there have been any changes. Let me go through the front door. I'm gonna go through the front and check everything out and see if we've got any changes. I do see that they got the windows open, so I'm not sure if anything has changed. Oh, we do have some changes. We have stuff in the closets. That's pretty cool. I don't know if there's anything in here. Nope, nothing in here. So yay, you can put things up there. That's cool. And next we have it in here in the laundry room. That's awesome. So we do have some changes for y'all today. Oh yay, I'm glad they took that paper down. Oh look, we have banisters. Forgot all about that. You do need to have that to get up the stairs. So that's cool. Oh, I didn't know this was gonna be here. So they're gonna have where you can hang things here if you want to. We probably won't because we're gonna be using this as storage, but at least we have a little thing up here to put stuff. So let's go into the bedroom and see if they put anything. Yay! I'll be able to hang up my clothes. Can you guys see it? I know it's dark. We were just talking about how the time is gonna change next Sunday, and coming out here late is gonna be a whole thing. We're gonna need light. Oh wow, look, I don't even know if you guys can see, babe. Do you have your phone with you? Can I get some light over here? I'm gonna be our spotlight person. Oh wow, we have shelves in here. Yay! And then we have shelves in here. Yay! Yeah, you guys can see this is what Earl says. I'm gonna have like my nice shoes and purses or whatever in this closet, but we'll see.
Put your purse, my hat's gonna be right there.
Yeah. So it was his idea. Now you're gonna take it from him. Something else. Okay. Let's move into the kitchen because I am anxiously hoping that I get to see shelves in my pantry. Like, you don't even understand. Yes! Yay! Oh, y'all, look at the pantry. Now, they're gonna paint these too. I think they're all gonna be white. But look at the pantry. I have a deep pantry. Like I can actually walk in here and I can close myself off. And close me off, babe. He's like, my pleasure. See, I can have privacy in here all by myself. When things just get too hectic, I can just shut myself in the pantry. Any changes out there? Have those posts always been covered? I guess so.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we're going to go upstairs. Like I said, oh, this is new too. This little trim along the stairs. Right here. That's new. This here is new.
Yeah, they put trim.
Oh, they did. Oh, I didn't even notice. The baseboards are in. Exciting and new. aboard. Okay, if y'all can tell me the name of that song, what show did that come from? That song that I just sang. Neat Aroni. That was neat. Okay. And then we have, look, I can hold on to this to go upstairs now. And then this is new. On top? I don't think so. No, I don't think so. So there's the banisters all the way up. Is that what you call it, banister? I think that's what you call it. All the way up. And we have baseboards. What? The Joneses got baseboards. Oh, look, babe, I didn't notice that. Look at the trim along the window. Oh, I like it. All the windows have it. I didn't even notice it downstairs. All the windows up here have it. That's why the windows are up. We have wood trim. And see, I feel like now we're gonna get paint in the house so that way they can just paint everything all at one time, you know? And then we have shelves in here in the hall closet. So neat. So excited, y'all. I'm ready. I'm ready to rock real steady. Somebody say, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm gonna sing and move. I think I'm sleepy too. I really am sleepy. Look, so there's more trim here in Earl's room. Earl got his little, you got your little door here for the elves for Christmas. The elves, you got your little elf door. And then Earl can hang up stuff in here. He's got his pole in here in his room. You see that, babe? Are you excited? Yeah. All right. So now we're gonna go in here in the guest room. Babe, which wall should I put the bed on? This wall or this wall? Probably this wall, huh? Yeah.
Because the network cable's gonna be over here.
Yeah, and that's kind of weird to come in and somebody's head is here, right? So it should be like there.
Here.
Yeah, there's all kinds of ways. But okay. Yeah, I'll have to figure that out. What I'm gonna do. Look, y'all, look. Check it out. Like your girl's gonna be like straight chilling, sitting right here. Look at that. Do y'all see that? That is so awesome. And then we have our trim, our wood trim here. Oh, look. I'm excited. I don't know about you. But I can hang up my stuff, put my things, and I'm gonna have my thing, and my things, and my things. Is that our neighbor? That's gonna be awesome to have a cop on the street. This is neat. I'm excited. Now I gotta go back downstairs because I didn't even look at did you? At the trim on the windows downstairs? Y'all, I promise my husband talks more than this. Y'all know he do. So that one is, because they're putting the sprinklers on that small house, I guess that one's about to close too.
Yeah.
I'm being nosy, looking all out the window. Y'all, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be perched right up there looking out the window at everything going on. I'm so glad they took this paper down. I love these windows right here. I don't know. Oh, I didn't notice this either. Did you notice this? That they put this up here too. Up here is white.
It's the same as this.
I know.
This one too. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, this is nice. So cool. So stinking cool. Okay, so let's go back downstairs to the living room area. check it out, check it out, check it out. Yeah, so yeah, I didn't even notice. That's crazy. So yeah, they got the trim on all of the windows. It's like the littlest things and you don't really realize it. But yeah, they have the trim on all the windows. We got shelves in the pantry. Oh my God. Y'all know this is such a big development that I might post this tonight. Y'all might see this tomorrow instead of waiting until next Tuesday. I might go ahead and post this tomorrow. This is exciting. I'm excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. I think I'm gonna go ahead and post this video. You guys will see it this week, maybe tomorrow or Thursday. But yeah, I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much for just hanging in there with us while we get updates and stuff to the house. I'm really excited that things are moving along. Like I said, next week, Monday, will be 30 days out from the date that they gave us for closing. So we're super excited about that. Ready to lock in that rate and all that kind of stuff and get ready to sign those papers and get the keys. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, all that stuff. Share it with everybody because, again, this is KB Model 2596. I know I got some subscribers that you guys are getting the same exact house. And just tell me what turned you on to that house, the ones that is getting the same model, KB Model 2596. Let me know what made you want to get, you know, I don't know, it could be the size of your family. I know it's just Earl and I, but we know we want to entertain. So yeah, I just found some other stuff that I didn't even notice, like the baseboards and then all around where the dryer duct and all that's gonna be. So neat. But anyway, guys, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you again for hanging out with us. See you soon. Bye. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay guys, thank you again. Bye.